Hi everyone, this is Thiela. I am your real estate agent based in Los Angeles, California. Today we are going to talk about for sale by owner. The reason why people want to sell it by themselves is usually because they don't trust a real estate agent. And I have to say that I completely understand where that's coming from because I've seen other agents that are not very honest, don't have enough knowledge. And for me, I would have to always see what I'm selling and also tailor the marketing according to the property and also the kind of people that would be interested with that property. But like what I said, not all agent does that and you're not getting the kind of return that you expected. Another reason would be that they think they can do it themselves because they know and how can it possibly be that complicated? So they don't have enough experience on how bad things can happen very quickly and very badly. So they think they could do it themselves. They think that nothing bad can possibly happen and they wouldn't need anyone that has more experience to prevent that from happening. So why you should get a real estate agent? Rules and regulations change all the time, so it would be nice to have someone that have an experience on how to handle things and also know the rules and regulation without you have to keep on searching it yourself when something comes up. Experience and knowledge. Like what I said before, a lot of things can happen during a transaction, and especially if the buyer of your property have an agent that very experienced. It's almost like if you, let's say, want to go to court and the other side have a very good lawyer to represent them and you just show up by yourself. So you have to defend yourself, you have to do everything, like setting up everything, appointments, dealing with all the paperwork, the forms and everything else that might be required by law. And you have no one that you could ask, you have no one that can protect you, and you have no one that could tell you that if you do it this way, it would be better than if you do it this way, you would have a better transaction. Marketing. From what I've seen so far, everyone that wants to sell their own house, they don't really know how to do marketing, and that's why they kind of like stuck in their own way. It is not enough to just put your property in, let's say, one website or calling agents, which I got all the time to like, hey, help me find a buyer, but I don't really want you to represent me. It doesn't work like that. If you hire someone to represent you to be the listing agent, they would, again, like what I said previously, they would deal with the marketing and you will get a lot more exposure. So you would get a lot more opportunities and a lot more offers from many different people that wants to buy your house. With me, I always tailor-made the marketing plan. Different house would attract different kind of people and it would need a certain type of marketing. And the last thing that I'm going to mention, although these are just a few because I don't want to make the video too long, is how to handle escrow. There are so many different things going on, including that we have to deal with the lender, we have to deal with the agent, we have to deal with the escrow officer, we have to deal with the title. And if you don't know what to do when something bad happens, which could be many different things. Let's say the appraisal went wrong, or I shouldn't say went wrong. The appraisal price is too low, or something in the house is broken and need to be fixed, and the buyer wants to ask for request for repair, but you don't really want to do that because you don't have the money and you don't think it will be worth it. Many different things that could go wrong. Let's say maybe the buyer suddenly got scared and also want to back up. An experienced agent would be able to help and know what to do. And as I said, that not all agents created equally. I understand that there are so many bad agents that I guess give the rest a bad name. So if you have any questions, if you need any help, do text or call me. My phone number is 424-888-0179. Free consultation, no obligation. Ask me all your real estate questions. I'll be more than happy to help. And please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. Until next time.